Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create an account on Steam. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. In order to create an account on Steam, you can head over to any browser that you have and search right here for Steam login. Then from in here, you can see the sign in, and you can also see in here this join or create your account. So click on this create your account right here, and then this will direct you to store.steampower.com/join. So on this case right here, you can head over and then just try to input right here your email address, confirm your email address right here, as well as your country of residence. And then click on this I'm not a robot in order to verify your CAPTCHA. So you can also click on this right here in order to agree to their terms and conditions. So I'll just head over and fill up my info. Next step right here is to verify your email. Head over right here to your email on Steam, and then in here click on this verify my email address, and then this will direct you to this site. And as you can see, email has been verified. Now we can actually close this window and then actually refresh this create your account window that we have right here. Then once we have done that, we should be able to see in here our store. So we can also refresh this particular thing, and once it's been verified, you can head over again to our Steam, and then we can log in as usual. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!